How we doing, folks? We alright? Long time no see, eh? Oh, what am on? Rebel. So, me and Faye have just bit J&S. Obviously didn't film it because that's all we ever seem to do at the moment. We've got J&S. She's after some gloves, but she's really struggling getting gloves that are comfortable with having the old tiny hands. And she said, oh, Rebel's not been on channel for a bit. So I thought, why not? Why not take it around the block? Now, once riding, I don't know what the audio is going to be like. I've switched helmets because I was on the Benelli and I had the adventure helmet on. So switched helmets, switched alt mic over and that, and I've lost the dead cat off the mic. I don't know. I've been looking at the floor here, I can't see it anywhere. I've not seen it fall out, but there was a dead cat on it and it's not there now. But yeah, on the Rebel. It's over 3 years old, 3.5 years old now, this. It's still only on 3,500 miles. Oh, Christ. Best laid plans and all that, eh? Got the AOC C6 Pro on. This isn't an advert, but there is a massive discount at the moment. I will put it in the description. I think you get 20% off any AOC product at the moment. It might even be 22, might be 25, I don't know, but it'll be in the description. I'll try and put it on screen now as well. But yeah, she said, why do you take the Rebel out? I don't know, but I struggle with this. I struggle around bends and everything. It's like I've never rode a bike before. But on this, it's great having that on. It's like having a rear view camera on. It's really, really good quality. As you can see, it's got a speedo in kilometres. But yeah, I've just tucked the mic inside the cheek pad, so hopefully we might be okay. If not, I'll speak to you when I get off, because I'm not going to know till I get back. As I said, we didn't have the cameras on. Go at J&S because I've been there. We've been there, done that many a time. So I said, oh, I'll just go out and block on our test routes. I think we are going out in a bit, as we do on a Sunday, because it's meant to be. I think it's about 30 degrees today. Yesterday was ridiculous. I think it was about 33 yesterday. But it even felt hotter than that. It was ridiculous. We were sat in the beer garden at our local pub, and it was absolutely sweltering. We were just sweating for fun. You know what I mean? Let's go into dark with the dark visor on. Great idea, that. I can see now. Well, I can see it. Love it. Love it. You don't need LC, do you? You don't need all that kind of exciting stuff, do you? Vision and all that. What's all that about? Yeah, mate, look up, look up, look up. All right. That fella don't bite then, he had his head like that. I thought, so here we go. Take it Rebel route block and head on into a cyclist. Into a cyclist. Don't do football, but England's on tonight. Is it the quarterfinals against Norway? I do believe. Everybody works well into footy and that, aren't they? Could take it or leave it, me. I may try and watch it though, just while it's England, you know what I mean? Probably won't, probably just don't fall asleep, but you never know. You never know, we'll give it a go, give it a whirl. But we are talking of going on tour in the next couple of weeks with both bikes as well. The Risky Rebel going on tour again. That's all it's done, really. That's where most of them miles are from when it went to Spain and that. So Faye, as you know, if you watch the videos, Faye took this to Spain, France, Andorra and that. So the most of the miles on this had come from that. Because I think it was, if I remember rightly, was it about 3,100 miles, that trip? I think it was something like that. It was definitely into the 3,000s. Right, as we always do up here, should we give don't call it the Nelly. Should we give the Rebel a bit of grief for all we reckon? Here we are, we're in second gear. Oh, lad. You know what, it's only a 500, but it's not wanting for out. In the real world, it's more than enough, innit? You know what I mean? The only thing it's not got is loads of torque, so you do have to be in the right gear, but smooth as silk. Little parallel twin, can't beat it. God, I need to put my feet down. It's like that round corners. Faye loves it, she's dead comfy on it, but I feel like a bit of a circus clown. I bet you're not going to be able to hear this, I can hear the wind now. It's not overly windy either, but I can hear it rustling through the lid. I very rarely wear this helmet. I've usually got my adventure one on, and it's mad when you put a normal helmet, well, not let's say normal, when you put like a conventional road helmet on after wording an adventure helmet, because the vision's like halved in it. With the helmet, with the adventure one, it's all down here, so you've got loads of vision. This is mega comfortable. I don't even know what it is. What is a Scorpion? Couldn't remember what helmet it was. Don't wear it so much these days, but it's unbelievably comfortable. I'm actually sat funny because I've got a selfie stick tucked down my pants at the back because there's no tank bag or anything on this. So this afternoon I'm going to put the rear rack back on this so she can put stuff on for when we go on tour. Yeah, so the OS C6 Pro, it's got a front camera, back camera, tyre pressure sensors, obviously Android Auto and all that's got your maps. Massive discounts online. There's also one for Ultimate add-ons, that's the super fast charger. All these are Ultimate add-ons, clamps and everything. We've never had one fail ever, so bit of a testament in it. We'll go down this corner, there's a car hanging about here. We'll go down this corner, we'll park up at the same place. Should we let him go? Or is he not going? No, he just sat there. The Honda with the indicator at the bottom. I keep pressing the horn instead of the indicator. I used to do that on Africa Twin loads. It got to a point where I was tending not to indicate because I was hitting the horn too much. Weirdly. It's mad though, isn't it? Because the indicators are right down there. I could probably spin that round a bit, couldn't I? Anyway, come, let's pull over. I'll tell you what's going on. Oh, an update on the Big Z. Big Z's coming out in a couple of days. Well, it's a couple of days, 7 days. As you know, got the Kawasaki Z1000. People saying, like, why is it not on road? Well, basically, the Rebel's, the Benelli's insurance is up in 7 days, and I put him on the dual bike policy. So I didn't see the point for the sake of a month of losing money, you know, changing policies and that. That'd be just daft thing to do, wouldn't it? But anyway, come on. Let's have a look at the Rebel here. Well, I've got that DJI mic mini that I usually have on this. I've not brought it out, have I? So I don't know which side the mic's on that. But the Fayemobile. On the Fayemobile. Needs a pipe on that though. We did have that one that somebody gifted us. But it was just too noisy. It really was too noisy. Alright, just for, you know what I mean, little rides and that, but you don't want to go on tour with it. It'd soon get boring, that would. It really would. But I have noticed as well, because of the heat, that's the first time I've noticed, I think that camera there has come loose a bit. I'll have to sort that out. So anyway, that's the front camera. And there's the rear view mirrors there. Rear view mirror, eh? What's that all about? Oh, what's the battery on here? What are we playing at? Oh, gold. Coming out. Batteries are not charged, they're out. As I said, wasn't planning on doing any vloggage today, but there we are. We're doing it. We're doing it. On the Rebel. I think she's selling this at the end of this year. She's looking at something else. But it's been a cracker, that. I know she's not done that many miles on it, but it's been a cracker. Needs a bit of a clean up, like. It's just been chilling under wraps, that has. Under wraps, chilling. Where is it? There. The Fayemobile. It's fair-sized. Anyway, come on. So yeah, Big Z. Big Z's on the road in a couple of weeks. Like 7 days, but by the time I won't get a chance to use it till not. It's going to be next Saturday, hopefully. Fingers crossed next Saturday. It'll be its first ride out. It's got new tyres on as well, so I'll take it steady. But I can't wait to get out on the Z1000. It's just sat in the conservatory. I will. So in a second, I'll just ride away from here. The touch screen. Ride away from here, and then I'll show you Z in the conservatory. You can see how Z's chilling. It's just not under wraps. It's not gone anywhere. So I've had it, what, 2 months now. It's not done a single. Its distance can be measured in feet and inches, I think. But come on, let's go show you Big Z. Well, folks, got back, got a Michael on, El Mike, and the El Michael on. I did have the black one on, but it's run out of battery, honestly. Oh, bloody weather, eh? Anyway, the Rebel, chilling. You see Big Z? Come on. Can't wait to get him out. Proper excited. But anyway, you ready? There we go. So I don't know how much we looked at it in the last video. It was only like a bit of a reveal job, wasn't it? But that's literally where he's living at the moment. It's usually undercover with locks on and that, but I took them off obviously for the effect. Just for the effect. But yeah, I can't wait to check it out. As I said, this bike is more of a... it was my first new bike. I'd never had a brand new bike before I got one of these back in 2003. That was my first new bike. I'd only ever had second-hand jobbies. As I said, I got a bank loan for it and got one. It is pretty tidy, like. Not gonna lie, there's not a great deal to touch up. There may be a exhaust, a bit of a polish, but I will do that at some point. Like I say, it's got the seat cowl, so Faye can come two up. She don't want to come two up on the first ride. Don't really blame her, because we don't know. Like I said, I don't know anything about it. Not roady. Been up and down streets on it, obviously, but only in 2 gears. Might not even have a 3rd and 4th gear. You don't know. But yeah, can't wait to get out on it. Anyway, where we got to go on tour? What we got to do? Oh, who's this? Oh, thought I could hear a car. No. Yeah, where we got to go on tour? Bit of a last minute job, eh? Regular occurrence over our house. The police helicopter. Because it's a nice quiet area, this. Rhymes with Beirut. But yeah, don't know where we go on tour. Don't know whether they do France or just sack it off and go to Spain. I don't know. It's literally got to be a last minute job. Literally a last minute, hence why we took this out today. Make sure it didn't need notes. It needs a proper clean up. It's got cobwebs on it and everything. Proper webbage. Adam's family job. And he's sort that front camera out as well. It is hanging a bit low, but we'll sort that out. But yeah, oh yeah, and he put the rack on back as well. So I've got the rack in the shed for it. So he put the rack on the back so she can carry some bits and bobs. Carry her own shite. Instead of me doing it. So I don't know where to go, yeah. I've got loads of money for do it, so it's gonna be a budgetish thing, I think. Although, is there a budget way to get it Spain? There's not these days. So it might be the old credit card job. Well, we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. So anyway, folks, thanks for checking in with this. Faye's just gone out to an art gallery. Gone watching an art exhibition. I said maybe we should have put cameras on, but it'd have been the same old thing, you know what I mean? Going to JNS, it would literally be the same old thing. There's only so many times you can do it, isn't there? It's getting warm now. I think it's about 11:30. It's roasting. I'm literally dripping. Anyway, I'm going to put the rack on now and get him all well locked up. I've put Benelli away. Is it locked up? Yeah, I should put lock on it. So that's away. I just see standard cannon. Because we're going on tour, that was the main reason, and I've put the uprated ECU on it. Though there is a possibility both bikes are going soon. Things are changing, it happens, don't it? We have to grow up. I'm not saying they're not getting replaced with other bikes. But yeah. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching this. From me, the Risky Rebel, the Nelly, and Big Z. See you up next one.